In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content calendar in Notion, a simple tutorial tailored for beginners. Whether you're managing a small blog, a dynamic YouTube channel, or overseeing a broader content strategy, a content calendar can immensely streamline your planning processes. Let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by creating a calendar database within Notion. This is going to be the foundational component of your content calendar, providing a centralized location for every piece of upcoming content. Start by opening a new page in Notion, then select Choose Database and pick Calendar from the options. This instantly sets up a calendar display where you can easily visualize the entire month at a glance. This step is pivotal as it lays the groundwork for everything that follows. Next, we'll enrich our calendar by adding properties like status and tags. Why are these important? Properties help you to classify and organize each calendar entry, making it simpler to filter and search later. Click on plus Add a Property, then create properties like status to mark where each piece of content stands in its production cycle. Think drafting, editing, or published. Similarly, create a tags property to categorize your entries based on content type, target audience, or platform. This added layer of organization is invaluable for maintaining clarity as your content schedule expands. After structuring your database, it's time to populate it with posts or events, complete with due dates. Click on any cell within your calendar, and a new entry will open where you can fill in details like the title of your post or event and set a specific due date. It's also a good idea to include notes or outlines in the description area to keep all related information handy. Entering due dates is crucial as it keeps your timeline realistic and assists in planning backward from each deadline to allocate sufficient time for creation and review. The final piece of our tutorial is learning how to track your workflow visually. Notion makes this intuitive by allowing you to switch between different views like Kanban boards or list views. By doing so, you can track the progress of each content piece from conception through to publication. Simply select Add a New View and choose a Kanban-style board if you prefer to see your workflow in stages or a list for a more flexible overview. Customizing this view to match your unique process can significantly enhance your ability to visualize the journey of each piece of content, from draft to delivery. So there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully built a functional content calendar in Notion. By staying